thought I'd do a little video on DIN connectors and those on eBay versus those on I buy from Alpha, which look very similar, but the grade on the plastic is very different. So first off, I just want to show you, you know, my iron isn't really a high-powered one. It's 30 watts, and I don't know how hot it is, but it's adjustable, so I just go by feel. So you can see how fast it melts. It takes a little bit time for it to start melting, so it's not really hot then. Okay, so I have a piece of Fimo plastic. So yes, I use this this Fimo to hold it in place. So it does, but before I do that, I take some. Actually, there's many ways of doing this, but I like to have some of this on it, salt paste. Then, after doing that, I have some. So this is not a video on the saver that I'm making, but for demonstration, I will use it. I have ordered needles for this solder paste. Okay, so I have oops. Yeah, doesn't matter. So I stick it in here. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Okay, so I stick it in here, and then I try to position it such that it sits correctly in the connector. Because when it melts, it's too late. So when the solder melts, anyway. Okay, so the thing is, if you are afraid of overheating, just clean the tip here. Add some tin to wet the tip a little bit. If you're afraid to overheat pins, you are not using connectors that are good. So here you can see. The thing is, what I'm looking for now is that when it pops, when everything is hot enough. Okay, I didn't see that on camera, so I will try the other one. So I heat the pin first. Maybe I should get some better lighting first. This is better. Okay. So the thing is, I heat the pin first, because if the pin is cold, the tin won't stick. So many have problems with soldering these. So and there you can see this tin start flowing, and then after a while you will see that it starts licking up on the pin. And now I'm going away because now it's getting too late. So yeah, that's one way of doing it. The other way is just to heat both surface and the pin at the same time. Maybe that's actually the correct way, like this. And then you wait until you see the solder starts moving onto the pin, and then you go away, because then you know that the pin is hot enough. Because the pin is cooling, so therefore it takes longer time for it to stick to the pin than the pad. So what's the idea with this movie is that you can see the pin is fine. It's nothing wrong with it. I used maybe 10 seconds on that one, no problem. So watch out for that. You must have a proper connector. You can't buy those sold on eBay. I did buy those. I don't think I have them around anymore. So sorry, I couldn't find the one I bought from eBay back in late 2015. But trust me, I have heard people putting this into potatoes to cool them down while they solder wires onto this, so I don't really recommend any of that. If the pin is cold, then it's not really sticking to it, so yeah. Well, it will be hot in one end though, so it might work, but no, you need something better. And also these pins, they're not supposed to crack. I have had pins that just snap in two, so it's like they're not made of metal in the middle. So there you go. Now it starts flowing. That's it. You see? You can see. That's one ready to go. One piece for a saver. I will solder these two. They are not electrically connected. They are just for support. So yeah. Thank you for watching.